Hey, hi everyone. Recently, I met the most influential figure of modern technology, who is none other than the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk. Don't you believe me? Do you think I'm lying? Just look at the pictures, guys. Just see, we are standing side by side in the spaceship. He offered me the coffee, and we were talking about the nanotechnology of Google. Now you believe me, right? So you must be thinking what we actually discussed in that discussion. So the discussion was about the problem that most of the clients and editors are facing about the changes in the photos, right? If you want to make change in the photo, if you want to change the angle, if you want to change the lighting, if you want to change the saturation or anything else in the photos, it takes a lot of efforts for the editor and the cost to the client. Hence we were talking about a solution that can do all these things in seconds. If you want to remove an object, it happens in seconds. If you want to add an object, it happens in seconds. If you want to just change the color of anything in your photo, it should happen in second. And also if you want to build a business using this, it should also happen in at least a month. So right, the technology we are talking about is Google's Nano Banana. Yes, Google recently dropped its Nano Banana technology who can just make a fantastic job in the editing world. So earlier we used to use heavy software to make changes in the photos. If you want to change even a single things, we need to open a software, we need to make changes in the photos, we have to save it and then we can use it. Even for the thumbnails, if you have to create a thumbnail, you have to collect a lot of items and then segregate it to make a creative thumbnail. For the other businesses things, you also hire editor to make changes in your photos to create creative changes, and then the business goes right. But what if I tell you now you can do all these things using a simple prompt, giving it to Nano Banana, which is present in Google AI Studio. Alright, without wasting a lot of time, we'll be seeing how Nano Banana actually works. And the pictures you have seen earlier in the video of me and Elon Musk could be the reality, but it is not. It has also been created by the Nano Banana. And in this video, we'll be seeing how can we create these pics just giving the prompts, or how can we make other changes in the pictures. So just stick to the video and hit the like button to subscribe before that, right? Alright, we are here at Google AI Studio and here you can see try Nano Banana which use Gemini 2.5 Flash. So clicking on it will redirect you to a AI that asks you for a prompt, and here you can give a prompt to generate an image. So first we need a image so that we can make changes in the image. So going to Google, uh, two persons, just right, and yeah, we can see this one will work. Object, saving it, and now we'll give this image to AI, upload file, open it. So we'll go step by step. I want to remove the girl from the photo first, so remove the girl and just run it. It may take somewhere around 5 to 6 seconds or some, maybe just 10 seconds, and it will get done. So just take it started working on it, take around 8 to 9 10 seconds, and the girl has been removed. And you can see it has also created how the person would have been done this thing, like how we had folded the hands, and it's perfectly fine. Now I want to add the dog in the hands of man. So let's see, will it be able to do that in few seconds or not? I'm expecting it is holding a dog like somewhat like this. Yes. Now it has changed the status of hands. You can say the position of hands, right? So it is holding a hand dog. It is holding a dog in a very good way. The dog looks cute as well, yeah. Okay. Now if I want to add background of mountains, happy dog, expecting the green mountains behind the man and the smile on the face of dog, right? Just raising it. Sometimes it takes somewhere around 20 seconds. Oh, in just 12 seconds it created it. Now it looks like a good picture. So even if you haven't been in Paris, you can be in Paris. If you haven't been in Las Vegas, you can be in Las Vegas. If you haven't been in jail, you can be in jail. Now we will be creating a thumbnail. A thumbnail is somewhat very important for the creators because they pay heavy amount to the editor to create thumbnails. And before to create a thumbnail, we must give it a example how a thumbnail should look like and what are the aspects like 16:9, 9:16. Use the aspects of this thumbnail and create a new thumbnail of the man holding holding dog about the dog care. Now let's see, will it create a thumbnail this engaging or not, or maybe better than this or not. So whatever is the result, we'll wait for a few seconds and it will done in few seconds. It created a thumbnail exactly with the YouTube's aspect ratio 16:9. You can see, and you can see it now. Dog care, secrets, happy and healthy pups. We can make the changes. Now it is the basic. You can add anything else. Add dog related toys and food items and happy dogs in background also. This time it is taking a lot of time. Maybe it is too hectic for it. No, it has created a thumbnail. Isn't it good that you can do all this in just few seconds? If you want a creative, better thumbnail, just take the screenshot of a thumbnail, give it as a prompt and made the similar thumbnail. Or you can just make few changes by giving the prompts to it, man. Okay. After this, there are things which is you can just submerge two images to create a new image. Merge the pics as face of man turns to octopus and body should be similar color. Okay, this is the result. This is bit funny, but the larger picture is if you have a design ready and you have boots, you can combine those images and see how the boot will look like in the final result. If you have a shirt, if you have design, you can combine them to see the final results. And so it will help you to reduce the cost. If the t-shirt would not look good in the real in the picture, so you would not go to the next step, right? There are many other things. You can be a interior design using these things. You can add the colors, you can remove the colors, or you can add the items in the empty room. That we'll do in the video as well, but before that we need to fix this. Remove the extra legs of octopus. Right. So now the face has been transformed to the octopus face and we removed the face. It looks a bit better than the other one. Alright, now we'll try to create a simple project in which we'll be creating interior design for an empty room. I'm not an interior designer, I'm an engineer. There are the chances that we'll make mistakes, but we'll see how AI will work. So just give it an empty room. Here is the empty room. So what are the things we can expect to have in this room? So we are expecting like bookshelf on the left wall. So add bookshelf on the left wall. Alright. Now add the table lamp without table. Add the study table by the wall. And I need the study table in the room with a beautiful study lamp. The wall looks empty behind the table, right? We must add palm areca plant behind the table in the corner near window, and also add painting on the empty wall. Okay, it added the palm areca plant, it added the painting behind the table, but also the space looks bit empty. Someone sitting on the chair. and studying. It took somewhere around 30 seconds to make someone study. Even AI is incapable of making someone study in seconds. Just watching this picture on the new tab, you can see how impressive it created interior design thing. So it on jokes apart. So even if you are a business owner, why do you need a model every time to click picture with your objects? You can just click a one or two picture of a model and just using the Nano Banana thing to check how the particular object will look like on the model, and that's how you can save a lot of money. All right, in this video we talked about the multiple use cases of Nano Banana. We removed the object, added the object, created new picture, made changes in the pictures, and that's how we can do multiple changes in the picture. And yes, this is all about the Nano Banana. Not all about the Nano Banana. You can just use multiple AIs with Nano Banana to create videos, to create e-commerce things, and a lot of things you can do with Nano Banana. It just don't try phase. After that, they must be creating a better version where you can use it with videos as well. But for now, it is what it is. You can use it for your social media thing, for your social business thing, for your e-commerce thing, and for many other things, man. After that, you can subscribe the video, hit the like button, just wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye.